Okay, we're in a beautiful place here. Bees all over this, beautiful. Right, but what we've got here is a tiny little starter wasp nest. I'm just very gentle, and there it is on the back of this door. So what we're going to do, inside there will be a queen and a few other little wasps. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to freeze it with nitrogen, or Ricky is, do it for the inside. This is the product from Loaded. I'll do it. So look at the kind of stuff. So this is a product by Lodi, which is basically a nitrogen, I believe, and it will freeze them solid inside. And so it's non-toxic, so it's not going to damage the dog or anything. I should put some gloves on really, because I don't want to get stung in the fingertip.
You spray it some more just in case.
That's proper clothes, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't see anything being alive in there.
And now I'll take that off, because this is actually made of paper. Oh yeah, that's a good idea, Rick. So let's have a look what's inside then.
You see the crystals on it.
Can you only, yeah, if I hold that and you tear it, yeah. Let's have a look what's inside there. It'd probably just be one little row of grubs, I would think, which would be the first workers.
Just hope I don't get stung through it. We've just started.
Yeah, so there's the little, those would be the little first workers that the queen from last year has laid. Can we see them? I can't see them. Oh yeah, so inside there. Is the queen out, is she?
She must be.
Okay. There we go. Lovely. Job done. Good product from Lodi, that is.